What do you have today, Dale?
The Disney PIXAR Cars Dinoco Car Wash.
Good one. Who's it for?
4+years-old can play.
By who? Who made it?
Mattel.
Wow. And what is it called?
The Dinoco Car Wash.
Oh yeah, for color changers, right?
Yeah, for color
So it looks like there's water coming down.
And look, here's the water clean. It looks like
yeah.
navy.
Yeah, you've got two different vehicles. And turn around the back, let's see.
And each car has one color.
Oh yeah, 2 in 1. So when they change color, it goes from one color to the other, right? Looks like black to blue. And it has a drive-through for a new Dinoco paint job.
A drive-through for a new Dinoco paint job.
Yeah, it's dry off and go.
Dry off and go.
And over here you can fuel up, right?
Yeah, you can fuel up.
And then you have a Dinoco sign that you squeeze for color change. Isn't that cool? And what's on the back? On the side, I mean, it says fuel up.
Fuel up.
Dry off and go.
Dry off and go.
Dunk for color change.
Dunk for color change?
Oh wow, that's a cool set, huh? So what are you gonna do, Dale?
Unbox it.
Alright, let's get with
Here's a
it.
little opening tab.
Well, let's see how that works.
I think it just opens.
Rip it open. Pull.
Oh wait.
No, pull in. Yeah, there you go. Pull that side. There you go. Here we go. Got muscles.
Oh, and here's the cars. Oh, look, here's a bag.
Yeah, so we're gonna get this together, kids, and then we'll come back and you can play, right?
So let's open this
Stay
thing.
tuned.
Stay tuned.
Hey, kids.
Hey, kids.
We're back.
Yeah, look, the water tanks.
Dale got his car wash set together.
And the water tank.
Right, there's the water tank.
And these for hot water, and these for cold water.
Right, exactly.
And
Yeah.
they go right here.
Yeah, put them underneath to catch the water. And you got a pump that pumps the water onto the car.
And you can take it off like this and fill it up. And you put the water tank back in and put this like this. And then you just do like this.
So we're gonna go outside and
Get some
water because it's gonna be messy, right? Okay, kids, we're back.
And here's Fine and Clean. And here's the pump.
The hot water or the cold water?
That's not cold water. So you're gonna get some gas. Uh-oh, we need more cold water.
So kids, Dale's gonna try and make it change color here. He has a bucket of hot water and a pool full of cold water
Looks like it's full.
and a squirter. Let's see, did it work?
Uh-oh, we need more cold water. I encourage him to.
Oh look, he's changing color.
Oh, look, he's changing color. But he still has black. Oh, there we go.
Well, that's it, kids. There you go. Bring your car out and let me see it on the video.
Okay. See, he's a little bit black.
Yeah, he's got some black and blue. He started out black, right?
Yeah, he started out black.
He put hot water on, he went to blue. Pretty cool.
Okay, let's put him back in.
Well, we want to just thanks for watching, kids.
Thanks for watching, kids.
See you next time.
See you next time.
On